Here, every story has two sides. One is folklore, the whispers, the strange theories, and the eerie unknowns. The other is fact, the scientific evidence, the logical explanations, and the hidden truths. What do you believe? Let's find out together. The first warnings from the 19th century. The tale of the Bermuda Triangle is not a new one. Stories of mysteriously abandoned ships began to circulate as early as the 19th century. One of the most notable is that of the ship Rosalie. In 1840, the vessel was found adrift at sea, with its sails set and cargo intact. But the entire crew had vanished, as if they had simply dissolved into thin air. There were no signs of a storm, a pirate attack, or any other struggle. The world-shaking disappearance of Flight 19. The world's attention truly turned to this area after a series of horrific incidents. The climax came on December 5, 1945. On a clear afternoon in Florida, 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, took off for a routine training exercise. Under the command of Lieutenant Charles Taylor, they flew straight into what would become the Devil's Triangle. About 2 hours later, something strange happened. Air traffic control received panicked transmissions from Taylor. "We are entering white water. Nothing seems normal. We don't know where we are. The water is green. No, it's white." His compasses had completely failed. Every attempt to guide them back was met with confusion. Their last signal was a broken cry, and then silence fell. All 5 planes and their 14 pilots vanished without a trace. And the story didn't end there. A large rescue plane, a Martin Mariner, with 13 people on board, was sent to search for them. But just 20 minutes after takeoff, it too went silent. It was later believed to have exploded, yet no debris from either flight was ever found. A total of 27 people had vanished in one afternoon. Magic or physics? The legend of the Bermuda Triangle flourished from that moment on. Tales of time, portals, gateways to other dimensions, or even the sunken civilization of Atlantis were all proposed to explain the unexplainable. However, scientists and investigators have relentlessly searched for a rational explanation. They point out that the truth about the weather. The area lies in a confluence of climate patterns, where violent tropical storms and hurricanes can appear suddenly, sinking even large ships in a matter of moments. The treacherous seafloor. The Bermuda Triangle contains extremely complex underwater terrain with deep trenches and ravines, where a sinking ship would vanish forever from human reach. The revolutionary scientific theory. Some researchers believe the cause is methane hydrates, a type of frozen gas on the seabed. When this icy gas melts, a large amount of methane bubbles up to the surface, drastically and suddenly reducing the water's density. A ship crossing this area would lose buoyancy and sink to the bottom in minutes. For planes, the gas could also cause engine failure. So, is the Bermuda Triangle truly a cursed place? Or is it simply a highly dangerous area with a unique combination of natural phenomena? Data from the U.S. Coast Guard shows that the number of accidents here is no higher than in any other busy shipping lane around the world. The mystery may not be magic, but simply a deadly combination of science and nature. Like this video if you want to explore more mysteries. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss the next fact or folklore story. Share your thoughts on the Bermuda Triangle in the comments below.